As the Imperium of Mages fell after centuries of war, so rose the New Unity, a collective of the kingdoms of mankind and with its new system of currency. A few old round coins with the insignia of the Mages' imperial crest still find themselves in circulation, but they are usually traded for Northern Imperions, recognized by its unique eye-shaped design and a central hole that allows it to be strung together for easier trade. Common folk often refer to them as Goldspokes because they resemble the spokes of a wheel and are symbolic of the constant motion of trade and fortune in the rich northern lands.